Ang ganda naman yan!
Alright, so candidate number 1, here's your question. Earlier this year, the Department of Education budget cuts have been the center of legal discussion citing that there is a learning poverty in the country. Your question is, sa iyong palagay, gaano kababa ang mababang paaralan?
Pag-isip.
Thank you for the wonderful question. Can we have the next question, please? To answer the question po, actually upon checking here, pinakamababang
Tech support,
ng lahat as in yung law school po. As in, law school.
No school.
Let's move on to our fifth ballot. Our candidate number 2.
Thank you.
Are you ready, candidate
Nakatato pa si Jose
number 2?
Rizal eh.
Here's your question. Ayon sa Department of Health, the increasing cases of monkeypox is closely being monitored by the department. They assured the public that there's nothing to worry about. Your question is, kung ang pansit ay pangpahaba ng buhay, bakit hindi ito nirereseta ng mga doktor?
Oy. Quiet.
Eh, hindi rin naman sila medisina.
Ay! Aray ko!
Aray ko. Tawa na ako na ito.
Hindi mo na nag-challenge yun, no? Sinagot agad.
Next, we have
Hindi mo na nagpaligoy-ligoy.
Allen.
Ano yan?
Candidate number 3, here's your question. During his second presidency, United States President Donald Trump enacted a series of steep protective tariffs affecting nearly all goods imported into the United States. Between January and April 2025, the average effective U.S. tariff rate rose from 2.5% to an estimated 27%, the highest level in over a century. Your question is, sa iyong opinion, ang lason ba na expired ay nakakalason pa din?
Thank you for that wonderful question. And I believe
Uy, malapit na.
if expired ng isang poison, it can still kill.
Candidate number 3.
Okay, ilang practice to ah.
Practical lang.
Next, our candidate number 4.
Yan na!
Lex, side view lang.
Lex!
Kanton!
Are you ready, candidate
Silip yan.
Lexi Councilor!
Always ready.
That's perfect. So here's your question. In Philippine history, ang naidalang pinakamatandang tao ay si Francisca Susano ng Negros Occidental sa edad na 124. Ang tanong, sino ang mas matanda? Tandang pananong o tandang palamdam?
Thank you for that wonderful question.
Eh.
Sa palagay ko, ang mas maganda ay si Tandang Padamdam. Sapagkat maramdami na siya.
Parang dami na siya.
Candidate number 5.
Palito to. Okay.
Are you ready, candidate number 5?
Yes, please.
Any pressure right now? I think I'm ready na siya.
Yung buntot na sa harap.
This year, the longest Cold War in the entertainment industry has come to an end. ABS-CBN and GMA7 joined forces in PBB Collab. Your question is, Kapag sumigaw ba ng sugod mga kapatid, sasama ba ang mga kapuso at kapamilya?
Hindi po sa question.
Tatawa.
Sorry po, ganda lang eh. Pero tingin ko po, sasama ko sila lahat. Thank you po.